This video is proudly brought to you by Web3bridge with Lex, our official sponsors for Cohort 11.
In this video, we'll be talking about
Subgraph.
It's interesting to know that subgraphs are decentralized tools that are used for querying and indexing blockchain data. So one of the major use for subgraphs is the fact that, or rather the introduction to subgraphs is due to the fact that smart contracts, they emit a lot of information. And so this information that they give out can become so bulky and complex that it may be very difficult for you to be able to query those information. So that's where Subgraph comes into play. So what Subgraph does is that it helps you to be able to get all this information very easy. So it's basically used for decentralized applications. So once you are building your DApp, you need a Subgraph to enable you to get the events that smart contracts emit.
So what it does is to make it easy for you to query the blockchain. Like, it makes it easy for data to be gotten from the blockchain. So it is very, very useful when building a decentralized application.
Subgraph is used to index data from the blockchain. So for example, in your smart contract where you have events and you index those events, you kind of use Subgraph to listen to those events. So that is the basic work of Subgraph, to index data from the blockchain.